Hey everybody, this is Billy at Bakersfield Tuff, man. You know what? Today I'm gonna do a little tech video for you. I'm gonna do a how-to video, how to unplug your pool lines, right? Especially in the winter when leaves are flying around everywhere, it's very easy for the lines to get plugged under the concrete and under the ground that you could never get to. So we're gonna try to get in there and I'm gonna show you something that actually works really good, and hopefully you have this stuff to do it if your pool gets clogged, and we'll start. So we're gonna come in here, and the first thing I did was I disconnected this line right here. Of course, this is the whatever that thing is, Barracuda. And then we're gonna have a wet dry vac right here, right? It's the basic one. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. I think the more power you have, the better. And what we're gonna do here is, let me see. So this line, I'm gonna bring it over here. And hang on one second. So I'm gonna have, if you look at, I disconnected the hose that comes in, and this should fit. I don't know if they made it like this on purpose, but it's a pretty tight fit. See that right there? Right? Just set it back in the water, and don't worry about getting electrocuted. These wet dry vacs before that. Make sure you have a wet dry vac if you're gonna do this. And we're just going to simply turn it on. And wait a second. Now you can really see that. I don't know if you can see it, but right now the vacuum is really shaking around, shooting a lot of water out. See that right there? Here's the motor bogging. So now you know. Now you know we've unplugged the line, right? You see there's a bunch of little particles flying out of there, a bunch of stuff down here. Who knows what was in there? Okay, now that we have this unplugged, I want to show you one more thing. Now you can also do this with the skimmer side, right? That's this over here. And just in case you didn't know, I'll take this off just so you can kind of see. There's two lines down there. Just put the back in those and just do the same procedure you did, or just do on the bottom side over there. And then we're gonna go over here and I'm gonna show you one more thing you can do that would help if you really got something jammed in there hard. So every pool has of course a pump, right? And there's this thing called a Jandy valve, and this goes on top, you know, and it has this switch that allows you to go wherever you want to go. Okay, well, this is to the bottom side that we were pumping, so all you would have to do is you can put that in there, right? And then turn the water on, and then turn the vacuum on, and that'll help too. Also, if that's really not doing it, they sell this thing it attaches to here and it expands. I forgot what it's called, but plumbers use it a lot. It expands in here, so it puts a tight seal, and then when you turn the water on, it's pressurized. It's a pretty cheap part, but anyway, you should be able to get most things unplugged out of your lines. You know, you should be able to do it on your own. So anyway, that's the pool trick. Hopefully helps someone out there later on during fall when all the leaves start falling everywhere. But all right, now I can enjoy my pool for a little while anyway. All right, this is Billy at Bakersfield Tuff. There you go, working like a charm.